The time saver is the biggest. It's the, for us it's the biggest thing, because we do run a really efficient business here, where time is of the essence. We want to be spending time designing bespoke solutions and overcoming technical challenges. The last thing we need to do is get lost in a system that doesn't suit our business, and where we're having to work around things to make it suit. The main thing with Flowlens is that it's so easy to use and everything can be done so quickly. We're able to manufacture things and supply to customers quicker than they can actually get the order to us.